Dear students, now in the next session of the electrical machines and applications, that is on schedule on 31st July, mainly we'll discuss about the voltage equation, means what is the role of back EMF and the voltage equation of the DC motor. Fine. Then we will also see the what is the condition to get the maximum power in DC motor. Afterwards, we'll see the voltage, current, and power equation of individual DC motors like DC shunt, DC series, and DC compound motors, and separately excited motor, which are the voltage, current, and power equations. So that we will discuss. Afterwards, we will start the torque equation, the derivation of torque, how the torque is generated, and how that equation is derived. Fine. So that will discuss torque equation, armature torque mainly, and afterwards shaft torque. So this is the tentative planning of the topics to cover in my next lecture. Now and then afterwards concluding remarks. Okay. So friends, we'll meet on 31st July. Thanks.